everybody to another episode of Crypto Moose. The moose is loose. Guys, I'm so loose right now. I didn't buy this suit. I've had this suit for a while. But comment down below which color suit you think I should have. And by the way, this chair is so squeaky. Drive me nuts. All right, let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about how I plan to make 100,000x on a couple of projects. These are projects that I believe in. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto NFT millionaire, which I'm not yet, but I will be. Just freaking watch. Anyways, let's go over to the big screen. Let's get into this. What are the projects that I am investing into now that I think could see massive gains? And of course, we're talking about projects on the Cardano blockchain. I talk about these projects a lot. One is Cornucopias, and the other one is Meld. I love these projects. Okay, they are very cheap. They're both hovering around a penny now. And let me explain why as well. So here's Meld. Okay, it's ranked 2,703. But if you take a look at what they're building, it is astonishing. Okay, right now they have 25 days of Meld. What they're doing is they are announcing a partnership every day. And apparently on the 24th, there's going to be another big one. Shout out to Ken Oling. He is doing an incredible job. And I'm a huge fan of what Meld is doing because I believe they're actually building something where you can become your own bank. They're a lending and borrowing protocol. They're starting out with Cardano's blockchain effectively. They already have their token. They built the bridge to go from Copi. No, that was Copi stuff. But anyways, they're building an Akamon bridge that they're calling it. And that's going to allow you to hold different assets from different blockchains into one kind of centralized spot. So this is going to be sweet. They just made partnerships with Copi. They made partnerships. You can see them up here, right? Actually, you can see different teasers here as to what they're launching, right? So you have Polygon, you have the Giro wallet, MinSwap, things like that, right? So definitely check this out. But this is a token that is so cheap right now. I just don't understand why more people aren't getting involved. So I've got 11,000 coins here. I do have more somewhere else. I think just connected with one of my wallets or something. That's definitely a place where I have it. So here's some Meld. But if you go to the website and launch the app, you can see more going on here. Let's see here. So here you can see ADA, Matic. I know I'm staking some as well. Yeah, I got 2,000 here staking. Right now you can earn a pretty generous APY. But effectively, it's just so cheap right now. What they're building is going to be amazing. They're making an all-in-one place where you can lend and borrow assets, right, from different blockchains. And it's going to work. I really think it's going to work. And that's kind of what you want to do. You want to get into projects that will work. Comment down below. This is probably this is definitely actually, even over Cornucopias, which I love. I think this is my number one crypto project. This is one that I'm going to be investing every month for the next year or so, right? So there you go. This is the price action. It's gone down since the ISPO ended. But to pick some up, you're going to go to MinSwap, launch the app. All right. So connect your wallet. If you haven't already, we have a video showing you how to do so. We show you how to pick up Meld in a different video, but I'll show you kind of again. You put in, for example, 100 ADA. You select your Meld, and you can get 1,400 Meld for 100 ADA right now. Actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to buy some. That's just to show you how bullish I am. Why not? Why not buy more Meld? It's a penny right now. Screw it. There we go. Transaction successful. This is going to be a project that I'm very bullish on. So the next one as well is Copi. I've got some tokens here. Okay. So I've got 483 Copi tokens. I love this project a lot. So we will see more Meld hit this wallet. We'll check it out again towards the end of this video. We're going to keep it short and sweet. So why do I like Copi? Well, they're building a metaverse game, and they have assets, NFTs that are out. Some people are like, oh, it's a scam. They're just launching NFTs. Of course they are. They want to make money, right? They want to make money because they have to pay developers. They're making a AAA game, right? AAA game, damn it. So if I go to my wallet, let's check it out. Let's put in Copi. You can see that they have a beautiful land sale. This is going to be for a plot of land. They have my favorite, which are the bubble jets. And in my wallet, you can see that I own these assets, right? So if you want to check out my wallet, that's the beauty of a public blockchain. You can see what I'm actually invested into. So this is one of my main wallets, my Red Cape wallet, or Steve with 2 E's. And again, I'm always buying and picking up more Meld. So let's see. We're waiting on this transaction to finish. But anyways, I just wanted to go over that. I'm bullish on Meld. There's so many more reasons why I'm bullish on it. Definitely check out the white paper. But effectively what they're doing is they're making tons of partnerships. Check out the dev diaries. Check out the other videos I have on Meld. It gives you more of a visual explanation as well. So here, be your own bank, Meld, DeFi lending and borrowing. I go over why I like Meld. Here you have 25 days of giveaway. They are building what is known as that Akamon bridge, where they're bridging together. They're making a place, an all-in-one hub, where you're going to be able to use their debit card, which they partnered with Arculus, which I did another video on. They're gonna allow you to have a debit card that also acts as cold storage, where you can buy things and also earn a yield with the app. Like, this is groundbreaking stuff. If they can pull it off, Meld is going to blow the competition out of the water. Okay, so that's all I got for you in this video. Remember, if it's not your keys, it's just not your cheese.